Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode in n8n, the workflow automation tool. Let's jump right in. First, open your n8n dashboard and make sure you're logged in. Then look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see your profile icon or your username. Click on that to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down, select Settings. From here, scroll down to the Theme section. You'll see a few options including Light, Dark, and System Default. Now, simply choose Dark Mode and watch the interface switch instantly to a sleek, modern dark theme. Your eyes will thank you, especially if you're working late nights automating workflows. You can also set it to System Default, so n8n automatically follows your computer's dark mode preference. It's a handy option if you switch between light and dark throughout the day. And that's it. Dark mode enabled in n8n in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick automation tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy automating with n8n.